What up, Tube? Today is Friday. Another work day, guys. Kind of get back to the shop. Hey, guys. I just want to remind everybody, guys, that this channel is a resource for barbers and barbershop owners. And I'm just putting my stuff out there and throwing my knowledge out there of what I do and how I do it. And if anybody has a question or, anybody has maybe I should change my system, let me know with comments down below, or I want some interaction, guys. So let me know what's going on, guys. Let me know what's going on with your day out there. How's your Fridays are looking? Right now it is 8:20. We open at 9 o'clock. I'm headed to the shop right now. I'm gonna go get this shop open. So now you're opening a shop, or you're taking over a shop, or building a brand new shop. When you build a brand new shop, like when we opened up Big Al's the first time, it wasn't even a barber shop, it was a water store. So we converted it into a shop. It was rather difficult because there was no sinks there, so we had to actually cut into the concrete and connect the plumbing to the pipes going, to the sewer lines, and so it was costly, and so when we opened up our shop, we needed a theme, and I got my theme idea from working with other barbers. I worked at many shops. I worked at shops in my uncle's shop where he didn't put no music on, and it was only TV, and it was only channel 2 through 13. He didn't even have cable TV when I started working for him. I mean, when I got there, I'm the one that told him, like, hey, Uncle, we need to get some cable in here. We need to start watching sports, And he went along with me, and he took my advice, and we got cable TV. And then I worked at other shops where, we listen to music at a certain time of the day and watch TV at a certain time of the day. Never both at the same time, I thought that was kind of weird that he couldn't have the radio on and have the TV on, but that was his, plain, blue barbershop, regular decor, nothing fancy, and that was his theme, It was kind of I call it a paisa shop because that's what it looked like. It looked like a paisa shop. He was a Mexican man. It was cool people, Mario, but his shop was, it was kind of plain, and it's just the way he ran it. And it was a clean, good shop. And then it had a lot of people going there. But later on, I worked for another barber shop. It was called Big Boy's Barbershop. That's where I learned a lot more. Right there, that guy gave me the keys to his shop. He made me his manager. I managed for him for probably like 2 years. And his shop was cool. His shop was also kind of like a Spanish shop. They played Spanish music in there, and TV during a certain time of the day, and we watched Spanish shows, It was cool. I liked it, and that's where I got the idea, because he used to bump music in the afternoons, and I always thought, oh man, that's a good idea, because people, they like, everybody loves music. So when I opened my shop, that was one of my niches, was like, oh, I'm going to put music, I'm going to put my music that I like. And of course, I'm from the old school, so my music's old school, hip hop, 90s, and I love reggae. Reggae's my thing, so I'm always bumping reggae at my shop. I mean, I know my barbers don't like it too much, but I put my music on, and they gotta listen to it. That's just the way it is. I let them put their music on too. I let them have their shot at the music. But I don't like bumpy music with dirty words, because it's not good for business. Not that I mind the dirty words, it's just that it's not good for business. You don't want a mother in your shop when you're bumping dirty ass rap music. Like, it's just not good for business. And you got to be good. You got to be smart about that. You have to be politically correct. In other words,
safest guy of all the quarterbacks out there. But when things are starting to get messy on the field, that's when Sam Darnold actually picks his game up.
Well, you got a baby.
Big questions around the other quarterback. They may have some more.
That's it for the day, guys. It's about almost 7 o'clock right now. 6:45, barely leaving the shop. Crazy day, Friday. Real super busy. Of course, I was short-handed. My daughter didn't come to work today, so fortunately, I had to let one of my barbers go a couple days ago. So now I'm down to 5 barbers for the shop. So I'm running a little short-handed. So on the weekends, it gets pretty crazy. I don't know how it's going to be tomorrow with only 5 barbers, and I don't know if my daughter's going to come, so it might just be 4 of us. So 4 for a Saturday is kind of cutting it short. I got to get some barbers pretty soon, so I'm in the look for. Right now I have an ad out, so I'm trying to get some barbers, but they got to be licensed. I'm kind of tired. I'm kind of burned out on working with apprentices right now, because you know, apprentices, they come at you and they, you know, instead of finding somebody super hungry, they tend to be guys that are more lackadaisical. They don't know what they want to do, and they want to work hard, and they don't want to work hard. They want to show up late, you know, and I don't pull up with that. If you're going to work for me, you got to be here on time. That's just the way it is. That's it for today, guys. It's pretty crazy today. We didn't get to talk too much today because I like I said, it was just too slammed. I didn't have really a chance. one thing I did do is I did manage to do one tutorial today. It got slowed down a little bit, so when it slowed down, I was able to film it. It's actually a shaves tutorial, which I've been wanting to do, and it's a regular customer that's always coming in. So when he came in today, I got him and I told him, like, hey man, we're shooting a tutorial, and he's like, go for it. So he's cool about it. One of my buddies, Armando, so he's cool. So that's it for today, guys. And tomorrow morning is Saturday, game day again. Let's go. So tomorrow, I'll be here early. Tomorrow we start at 7. I have my first appointment at 7:30. Like I said before, we don't do appointments here, but I do appointments on Fridays and Saturday mornings. That's the only day I do. The first 3 or 4 people, I can line them up. And I already got, I think I got 4 lined up for tomorrow morning. So, all right, guys. Comment below. Give me some ideas for videos. Anything you guys want me to talk about, just let me know. I'm down. I'm always down to fucking chit chat. So, with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys mañana.